Hey guys, it's Maymay, and today I'm showing you all about this self-inking personalized stamp that we're now carrying in the store. I promised you guys a video on this, and here you go. Now what this is a stamp. It's a kit. It comes just like this that you purchase, and then once you get it at home, you order the personalized little stamp that sticks on here with your address, your monogram, your last name, whatever you want on there. They even have holiday designs. So I want to show you what you do. So you get this guy at home and you take out this little piece. This is your little pamphlet that tells you what to do. We're going to open this up. Now at the top of this little pamphlet, you will have a code. Now I've blacked mine out and covered it up because I've already used this code. This one's mine, okay, so you can't see that one. But what I did was I filmed the process of me going through all of these steps to show you how this little guy works. So let's get started with all of the process. Okay, to redeem your voucher, you go to psaessentials.com, and right in the top left here, you'll see in pink, redeem voucher. You want to click that. Once you click that, you're going to choose which one you've got. We have the PSA Essentials, so I'm going to click on the PSA Essential stamp. And here you enter your code. I'm going to put my code in, and obviously we're going to blur out my code because it is mine, and once it's used, it cannot be used again. But you'll put your code in and then hit next. Okay, now this is where you get to choose the design. Look how cool. Look at these designs we get to pick from, so many. And remember, depending on the ink that you purchased, you know, the black ink came with your stamp, but if you wanted the multiple color ink where you wanted the inside one color and the outside another, you could do that. Look at the Christmas ones. I'm gonna have to get another one because I'm gonna want Christmas too. Let's pick which one I want here. I kind of think I like this one. I'm kind of surprised, but I think I like this one. So what you do is then click on the design. You're going to enter your information. So I'm going to come right here and I'm going to put in Maymay. Probably have to put a capital letter there. I'm going to get small letters if I don't. Oh, it doesn't do capital. That's okay. And then the last name is all in caps. So I'll put in Helms. And then Vince. Actually, I don't like this layout. Here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to change this to Maymay at the bottom. I'll put Vince's name at the top. That's how I would do it anyway. So that's how we're going to do it. Okay. Cute. And now I need to put my address in, which obviously we're going to blur out. So I'll do that here. And then you just say next. And you can get the PDF preview, but it looks good in the picture to me. I know you guys can't see my address and everything, but it looks good in the picture there. And then it says, as we typeset your personal stamp by hand, we will ensure that the stamp is correctly aligned and centered. The proof pictured is for representation purposes only. By clicking the box below, you confirm that all the information entered as represented above is correct. So I'm going to reread it one more time. And then check the box. And now I say next. And then I put my information in and have it sent to me. So let me do that. I'm using the free shipping method. Oops, I have to click it, my bad. Click free and then continue. And then no payment is required because I've already purchased the stamp. And then I just place the order. And now it says it'll ship it to me in 5 days. So we'll see what happens. So now that I've ordered my stamp, I will wait 5 days and we'll come back and assemble it using this little piece and all the instructions to make that happen. Okay, guys, my stamp is in. It is here. I'm going to flip it over just because it does have my address on it, so we're not all looking at it. But check this out. In the little pamphlet you get with your stamp, you get this section right here, how to use the alignment tool. I have not done it, so we're going to just do it together and see what happens. Step 1, compress the stamp body to lock position 2. Now it says right here, lock position 2. Pressing the lock buttons, gently press the stamp body all the way down until the buttons click into place. So I'm assuming I squeeze these. Oh, no, I don't want to do that. I want to go all the way down and then squeeze them. There we go. Okay, so you want it to be a little short dude like that. And then it says, place your new stamp die flat side up in the center of the alignment tool. So, peel this guy off of its little backer. All right, be careful when you do that because
Let me put my hand right here, because it's a little separated, so you don't want to really tear that or anything. All right, and it says to place this die flat side up. Where is up on this guy? I'm going to assume that this dot means something. And so, oh yeah, line in the knot. How about read instructions? Line up the notch on the top center of the die with the corresponding peg in the tool. So, here we go. Let's put this here like so. All right, I've got it lined up, and I'll show you right here. There's a little notch up there that I've lined up with my stamp, okay? And then it says, place the stamp body on the tool so the base fits snugly. All right, so let me get this back in place because it's sticking to my hand a little bit, okay? Stamp body. All right, place the stamp body on the tool so the base fits snugly and the PSA Essentials logo is facing you. Here's the PSA Essentials logo. All right, press down firmly. What? That is so cool. Okay, hold on. Let's unlock it so it'll stand up. There it goes. And I'm going to peek. It's there. Look, it's right there. It's all loaded like it should be. That's super cool. You know what else is cool? It works a lot like our acrylic stamps in that you can peel it off and put another one on. There's no adhesive, which I really like. So that's cool. All right, so we're done with that. And now I need to test it. Now, one thing I had to do, when my stamp came in, the ink cartridge was upside down. So you do have to do a slight close, just like this. Slide that little guy out and then flip him over, okay? I think I showed that before how to do it. All right, I'm going to test it. All right, so here's what I did so you could see something. I blacked out my street address, but you can see here that I do live in Clanton. Y'all know that, my store's in Clanton and all that good stuff. And look, our names are perfect and everything. I love how this turned out. Now, the only other thing I want to do is right here on the top, I want to take this piece out and I want to stamp on it as well. I'm not going to do it now because that just means we have to black out the address again, and I want that to be on top. But how cool is that? I love this little guy. What a great gift for folks. I think this is a great wedding gift, and I got it back so quick. I want to say this came in 4 days after I submitted it. I mean, that's super fast. Now, I do believe the company's in Georgia, which is super close to me, but they already tell you that it'll be back in the mail within 5 days. So if you know maybe a newlywed's new address or a housewarming gift, what a great housewarming gift. Seriously, this is awesome. All right, so consider these when you're looking at gifts or for yourself. So there you go, guys. Thanks so much for watching, and until next time, bye now.